Test. Allô. Test. Test. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, 18 people. Sorry about that. I'm always good for starting. Almost, sorry. It's still morning in my brain. My mouth is not working. Give me 1 second. Hey, mouth. Oh, 18 people. Sorry about that. Setuping. This one should be working. Test. Setuping. Hello. Test. Okay. This is working now. Hello. Okay. This is working now. I'm sorry, I'm not very professional with this voice feedback and everything. Anyway. Welcome to Somnium Space Sunday stream. Creator Sunday stream. I'm Danny Rodihine. Excuse me for my English, my brain is very slow to start today. So right now I'm streaming to Twitch, YouTube and Twitter. You can give comments anywhere on those three platforms, I'm gonna read it. As usual, you can always give me some questions. You can ask if you have special demands for the subject of the stream. Could be like a 5-minute one. Sometimes people want to know something. Sometimes people want to know how to do something. I'm pretty much the guy around. I mean, I will not say the guy, but I'm very familiar with Somnium Space words, avatar system, and SDK item. So I can answer pretty much all the questions about those. I'm also avatar artist onboarding in Somnium Space. Okay, sorry, I'm still on the loading screen. Let's change this for this one. Good. So I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do, but I think a friend of mine was asking about something on words. We will check that. So you can watch this stream if you want to learn how I create stuff in Somnium Space. You can ask questions. Also you can watch if you are just curious about what it's possible to do. But I may do very advanced stuff. I'm trying to simplify the most I can. So if you think I should do stuff more light, I'm also open to that. But I don't receive really a lot of questions, I would say. Music is quite loud, I think. 5%, 3%, 4%. I'm opening my software right now. So I guess I'm gonna do some creative stuff around Somnium Space words, since it's my favorite thing, I would say, in Somnium. I can show you my word that I'm working on. I call it Ink-Ready Word. It's very simple right now. There's nothing very important. It's mostly test and trying to make large-scale island. Each island is 1 kilometer square and have different style and very soon different background. And I want to work on a service around this. I'm not telling more. It's coming very soon. I'm very sorry I'm late in my Ink-Ready Word system. I'm working very hard with my friend on the network part. It's gonna be amazing. You will see. This project is gonna bring more community and more cheaper possibility for Somnium citizen. Okay, let's go. So let me just check what was the question of my friend Eutwalard. I think I'm gonna go on Discord today. Yes, Somnium Space Discord, Art and Chill channel. Check peripheral. Test. Oh my god, this Discord. Never working. Test. Good. So if you want to chill with me, you can come in Discord or ask question or anything. Very open to it. So let me check what Utrard was saying about his problem. He's trying to work. Last stream, I was working with something in the multiplayer part of Somnium World. The idea is to send information between the players, and to do that we use something called custom properties. So if I can resume very fast, the multiplayer net system of Somnium Space is they use something that already exists. It's called Photon. Can show you in Unity asset store. Sorry, Photon Pon free. Yes, this one, Photon Pon free. If you want to do anything related to multiplayer in your world, you need this add-on. I think I explained it a little in another stream, but I'm very late. I'm supposed to do more. I would say tutorials. This is one I should show. So to go simply in my word here, every object that, in fact, you can see it this way. Our multiplayer work in Somnium Space. Everyone will download first all the word, like it is like this. That's the first thing. Then, how do we do multiplayer? It's very simple. In fact, you will send information in the Photon network to move object, to change state in object, and send other information. So it's very simple. First everyone have the same exact word. Then, between those words, we send information. There's no big server that simulate everything. It look like a local game that you invite people. So the first person that enter in the world is the owner of everything. And then he can send information to move stuff. When a character move, in fact, you are sending the information about your body to everyone else. So that's pretty much it. If you want to move something, you have to send information about an object moving. If you want to change the color or something, you send information about the animator changing state. If you want to make something alive, you have a code run locally, and you just send the position of the character and some basic info, so like is attacking you or stuff like this. So you try to always execute stuff locally on your PC, like if it's were not a multiplayer game, and you send the minimal information the other need to synchronize the game with you. So it's more like you are synchronizing with others more than multiplayer. It's not a bad way. It's a good way of doing multiplayer, and that's how we are working in. So last week, I was using a function of photon to send information that you can read all the time, like a variable, and it's called custom properties. So how do we synchronize an object in multiplayer? First, don't mind my hierarchy here, it's just messed up. It's a very big testing word. So this object, for example, let's see, cube, let me just remember what this is doing. I think this is doing nothing. It's not, that's not possible. Flow machine. Photon. I think something is missing. I can start from scratch. It's gonna be easier. So let's start from scratch in the root of my project here. Let's talk about terms. So I love time to time to remind you about terms in Unity because it's a quite complicated environment. So you have the hierarchy here. Hierarchy is you can see all your word or game like a bit folder path. The root is IncrediWord. It will be like your C drive. Sorry, that's not the name. It could be anything. Like your C drive. We call it the root. Then you have every first folder in your C drive. You see. So those are the highest level usable item. And in Unity, everything is an object. Everything is an object in the simplest way. And any object can contain object. You see? So, for example, this cube is an object and it can contain other objects. That's the hierarchy, like parent and child. But you can imagine anything like a folder. So a folder can contain stuff. It can also contain file. Here everything is an object. An object can contain object. Anyway, that's just to explain shortly how it works. Here we have the project folders. I made my own folders called #local. I put everything I do here so that it's separate from the Unity stuff. I don't make myself. Very easy to organize. I would suggest to do this. I'm very satisfied with this system. I'm using it for a very long time. Why hashtag? No reason. I only use hashtag all the time because I want a folder to be on the top of a list. As simple as that. And it don't interfere with anything else, so I keep it. So in my local I have other hashtags that could be just exaggerated. Don't need that. So community, because I have some work. Denevro is all my own stuff. Package is all the stuff I may give or sell, so they are well organized. Yeah, anyway, here is, you can have a lot of stuff. You have console that can be there, it can be somewhere else, but I love to have it big, so I put the console here that tell information on how things are going. The rest is not very important. And inspector. So the main thing to know is scene view here, scene view, inspector, console, project, folders, and hierarchy. Those are very important. The rest is not very important. And you have game view here. No camera, so it's fine. your Unity could be organized differently, but you can always change it in real time by dragging and dropping like this. Oh, someone is asking a question. So R8 is asking, I would like so much the initial Unity overview on some cheat sheet prepared just for a show to new student. Be so cool to have it. Yeah. I mean, sorry, I was thinking. Yeah, of course I would like to do it, but I already have so much tutorials to do. But yeah, that's a good idea because I know it's maybe not my job to explain how Unity work, but it will not hurt. So you can always go to somniumspace-guide.com. It's the website I made. somniumspace-guide.com. Just type somniumspace. You should find it, I think. Somniumspace and somniumspace guide. Yeah. I'm not on Google. Let's try Google. Can Google find it? Somniumspace. Oh. Not good. Somniumspace guide. Ah, that's fine. Somniumspace guide. You can find it. So with this website, you can learn a lot of information. Oh yeah, thank you. I'm very proud of doing this guide. I'm trying to make it more beautiful and more easy to use. You can always post comments on any page if you log in. You don't steal information, don't worry. You can also ask me directly on Discord if you are in Somnium Space Discord. If you have some advice or anything. I pay myself for the hosting and I did the work, most of the work myself. I got some help. So you have few categories: Somnium Space Guide, community store. No, not really. Yeah, you have the general guide and subs categories. It's generic information about Somnium Space, how to set up VR, how to set up Somnium Space, how the tablet work, Unity SDK installation, record video, Somnium Web here. I'm trying to change all the format to this. Avatar SDK. Then subcategories, you have some optimization, minting guide, limitation, the unique bone, blah blah blah. Builder SDK is for the item you want to put on your parcel, and the subcategories. Oh yeah, Word SDK, and subcategories too. Bold script mini. It's not very. I really need to put more stuff here, I would say. Advanced creation. Advanced creation is for us, and if everything else that's not Unity. Oh, nothing. Unity, Blender. Oh, nothing. Oh my god. Substance Painter. That must be a problem here. It's empty. I'm sorry. Community content. You can even post yourself something. There's portfolio. This guide was first meant to be used by the community to post information that is durable in the time, because problem with Discord is that it's not persistent. So you can make your own page if you want. If you have a project, you can even ask me. I would be glad to help. Contract board's not really working, so there's not worth checking. Contract board not really working too. Parcel renting. People flow is another thing I made. Yeah, I think the main thing you can do is portfolio. Yeah, but for now, yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry, it took so much time, but I'm very proud of this project. Hope I'm always on 10 project when I can only do 1 or 2, in my time. So yeah, that's my curse. Someone is saying um, Anarchy Arcade. What's up? Yes, thanks for the breakdown. Been a long time since I used Unity. Ultralord, I was maybe looking at your problem. You can come in Discord if you want. We can look at your problem together. Since it's quite important, and I need to make the page of the guide more the page of the guide more explicit, more usable, because we have Word SDK, custom properties here. Maybe not
Hello?
enough yet. Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Good, on my second coffee. Still not awake
Nice.
yet. Okay. So how
Wait, let
was
me start it up.
how was your using of custom properties?
Great. I think it's not the custom properties itself. I think it might be the trigger, something like that, but I'll
Okay,
show you.
but
Because like,
show me what you did.
okay,
If you don't mind, I'm gonna put it on stream too.
for sure. I'm just gonna like start it up. How's your day going, bro?
I went to my friend this weekend, working
Nice.
on Incrediword.
Wow.
Man, I I love this project so much. I'm late. I know it. I said it would be ready like 1 or 2 weeks ago, but it's coming.
Yeah, I can't wait, man.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
excited
We
for
are
it.
working very hard to make.
Yeah.
I mean, we have to learn too because we both are not like
We're pioneers.
beast.
So can you see? Do you see my screen?
Sorry, one sec. Yes. Let me. I hate Discord. Good. There.
Alright, so
I'm streaming your stream.
So what I got going here is I have a scorekeeper that's like, you know, right here. And inside it, I have this cube, which is a trigger. So let me just open this and then this. So first here, on the first part, we have the activate score collider. It checks if
Okay.
whoever touches that is a player, and it also checks a variable called score set. And then when that happens, it sets these, and I have these thanks to Artific. These are custom bool set super units. So in here, it takes the input, it creates a hash table, it does its thing, and it sets the custom, and then it does its output. Yeah, really awesome. And then it goes here and it does the same thing. And then I have a boolean at the end called score set, so that the score, so it doesn't happen again, just in case.
Returned on the first custom property. So, okay, it's two different property. Got it.
Yeah, there's the red score and the blue score. And I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this, but I put like a boolean here and it checks if it's true or not, and then it'll go, just in case it does it again.
Okay. Score
and
set,
then,
yes, and it will stay to true forever.
Yeah, that's what happens. I mean, yeah, I think so.
Okay.
It just stays true, and then here it checks that if it's true. If it's false, it does it. It sets them.
Right?
Yeah. So this one only happens on the trigger.
Okay.
And the trigger is where the player spawns.
Okay.
So I'm doing that here.
It's a trigger, but you put on collision, right?
Yeah.
It's working?
Yeah. It works. When I'm alone, it'll work, and then when you have other players in, it'll give you random amounts. It'll give you like, I'll see 1 on my end, and then someone else will see like 12 or 3 or 5. So that's what's happening there. So that's there, and then over here is where the actual like score happens. So the trigger is actually the actual goal itself. This thing. So
Okay.
when that gets a trigger, it checks if the collider, if the game object that the collider is attached to is the sphere. After that, if it's true, if it's the actual sphere, it goes in and it sets the custom
Okay.
properties. It looks for blue score, and then it sets it to true. And then when I go into the super unit, I have this.
Mm-hmm.
So and then after that, after it's done that, if it's true,
Wait, you set and then get blue score.
yeah. I set it and then I get it, and then I check, right? I check it if it's true. If blue score is true, I have the actual score here, called blue score, and then I add one, and then I set it. And then after that, I take a text mesh, I transfer blue score from a float to a string, and then I set it here. And then after that, I uncheck the I unset the
Can you go back?
from true to false.
Okay, you do add. Okay, I may see something weird here. I think you enter in an uncertainties area. The problem is, in one single like call, you set a property, you get it, and you delete it, and you change it. So I wonder if it's even going to the other player since it's that fast.
Oh. Oh. So
But
what do you
why
suggest?
Why not? You said you had problems setting float to custom
Yeah,
properties, right?
I never got it to work with a
Can you
float.
try
Like if
with text?
that's what I was doing. I was turning it into a float and then doing text. I think I have it
I mean,
here.
you could use text all the way.
What do you mean text all the
I
way?
mean, you store the value as text.
Yeah, and then change it?
I mean, I know it will. It's stupid. It's dumb. But what is it doing when you store it as float?
Nothing. And then I'm changing it to a text. But I mean, I'm adding to it.
I mean, you don't see it. You have errors. What's happening?
I'm not sure, like I'm not sure if
What
what I'm
happened? I
doing.
mean, you said you can't use float. What happened?
Oh, it wouldn't work. Wait, let me just check.
What mean it wouldn't work?
Like for example here, if I set this, I would set it like red score. I would set it to the red score, right? And I would change it from a float to a string,
Yeah, but
and
you are
I put
not
it
putting
there.
float directly inside.
Yeah, I'm putting a string.
Right now your string node is not working for sure. You don't have input and output.
Oh, I
You
didn't
need
even
to
know that.
connect this. Yes.
Okay.
And then I would try to put float directly in the value.
Okay.
Since it's object, in theory you can put anything and then extract anything, in theory. So I would try to put float directly. If I were you, I will do a test right now. Or I can do it too. We could test if float work, you see? Oh, I could use the code we did the other day.
Yeah,
And
sure.
try it. But for some reason I lost my Fulton. Why is Fulton? Okay, sorry for the stream. Was helping Intralord with his problem, and then that's pretty much what I was trying to do. Sorry, I was checking the comments.
So yo, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen.
Anyway, I'm
okay,
not showing
cool.
it.
All right, cool.
What I'm going to teach you right now, people, is testing. Never underestimate tests, because I will explain to you how I design stuff. When I design stuff, I make sure I understand. I prove that I can make work every single feature I'm using. And then when every single feature is working, I glue them together. And then I have 80-90% chance it's working, you see? That's how I do. I mean, not saying Nitrod was not doing it, but just an example. So, since we don't know if you can put float in custom properties, we are gonna make a test.
Cool.
Let me figure out what is happening here. Nom, 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 nom. What is this cube? This cube? Oh, right. This have to be disabled. What is this sphere? Sorry, I'm cleaning up. Oh, and movable ball disabled. Dynamic sphere disabled. Disable, I said. Okay, so we need this cube to work. All right, I just remember. Okay, custom properties are global. We use how to say it. Yeah, it's global. So they are stored in the room, in the current room. So I don't need on my cube, on my script, I don't need particular photon script or anything. So, sorry, I move a lot. Let's see that. Last time I was getting player name. Then I was putting my player name in the custom properties, and then Ultralord was doing the same because the script execute by everyone. Then the text here was showing every custom properties he find. So both player name was there. So now what we are going to do is do the same but with numbers. So I'm gonna take the player ID this time. Player ID. No, I know. Player name is the key, because when you have properties, a property is an association of a name and a value. We call it key. For example, imagine you have 10,000 folder in your I don't know, in your office. Each folder will have a name, and then you have content. You see? So that's it. That's how you store parameters. They have a name and a value. You could even just have a name, and the value would be like, I don't know, null maybe. But it's not always useful. Sometimes. So don't mind this block here. What is interesting to us is here. That for setting something, then this is for reading everything. Not very useful, but let's keep it this way. A for loop that's iterating every variable in our custom properties, and then it combine it to a text, and then it show the text on this Text Mesh Pro. That's pretty much it. So what I need to do is, instead of putting bool here, the value will be the player ID. So I'm storing an integer. Integer is a number without fraction, right? So storing integer, when I will read it, value, I'm gonna, let's see what I can do with this. I'm gonna do integer to string. So if it's an integer, it's gonna work. If it's not an integer, it's gonna fail. So body mean every loop of this loop into string. Then I'm gonna do this here. I love to do horizontal flow, and when I do something, I do vertical. So here it's this way, the flow. Oh, it's go there, go up, and or it go. I mean, if I will do my flow horizontally, it will go very too far. So sometimes I combine blocks like this. This one, enter in this one. Print cascade, it's just a very simple add, new line. Very simple. That's just for me. It's for printing text. Yeah. Screenshot? Okay. So, string variable, add string to the string variable, and save it to, no, get the string, add to the string, save the string. That's it. So the line I want to print now will be the number. So the value is a number, convert the number to string, then print the string. So if everything works, when we both go in the game, we are gonna see my ID in this here and Ultralord ID. You are still there, Ultralord?
Yeah, I'm here.
You're the cobaye today.
I'm the what?
Oh fuck, it's in French.
What does it mean?
Laboratory rat.
Oh, my pleasure, bro.
One sec. What's this in English? English? I don't understand. I don't even know how to write it in French, so... It's laboratory rat, but not really.
Like a guinea pig?
Maybe? Like the generic explanation for that. Guinea pig.
Yeah, like a test subject.
Yeah, test subject.
There you go. Alright, my pleasure, bro. Anytime.
Tester. I guess tester is more
Refined?
Because now 80% of the time when I don't know a word in English, it's the same
make
with
it up.
different consonants.
Consonants?
Letters. It's the same word with different letters. Let's do it. Okay. I guess that's pretty much it. Oh, by the way, if you play with custom properties, like I said, the problem is you cannot test it on Unity. You always need to upload to test it. So you must know what you're doing, because yeah.
So can you just go over it? Instead, you just made it an integer, and the value is the player ID, and then you're printing it.
Yeah. So if everything go well, when we both go to the game, we are gonna see two numbers here. Oh yeah, I have to delete my first. I'm Somnium. Manage upload content. Words. Delete. Then I can upload it again soon. Good. Isn't it exciting? We're gonna see numbers at Twilard.
I'm excited.
Why the programmer mind is so fucked up?
I don't think it's fucked up.
Oh my god, we're seeing it's like I remember the particle accelerator, like cost billion of dollars, and then a 0 turn 1. Yeah. The 0 turn 1.
It's understanding, bro.
Oh.
It's being able to understand the
Nice.
possibilities
That's
where
the
people
biggest
others
function
can't.
biggest function of the universe. $3 billion. Result true or false.
Yeah. The answer to the question of the universe is a boolean. It's either true or either false. It could be both.
I hope it will be a quantum boolean.
Yeah.
Do you know about quantum boolean?
No, what are those? The maybes?
It's a boolean that can be 1, 0, and both at the same time with some probability.
So it's like a maybe. I don't know, maybe.
Maybe it's you're not sure. A custom boolean, a quantum boolean, it can be both.
Yeah. What do you think that's gonna do with like computing and stuff?
Personally, if I understood well, it can't do everything because it's optimized for parallel programming. And not everything is mathematically parallelizable.
Hmm.
I guess you got my point.
Yeah, that's interesting.
It's mathematical. You
Hmm.
cannot parallelize everything. So everything that is parallelizable will be almost instant. But everything that is not parallelizable, it's just gonna slow down.
Hmm. So there's gonna be specific things that we'll use it for, and specific things we won't use it for.
Yeah, I mean it's my
Interesting.
understanding.
That's fascinating. I didn't know that. I thought it was the end
Maybe
all
I'm
be
wrong.
all. Piston properties.
Oh my god. Man, how many years the keyboard I have? I think the keyboard I have 12 years or something.
Really
It's
nice.
a Microsoft something comfort keyboard, very good keyboard, very durable, incredible. There's only one letter that is half erased. That's incredible.
Which
But
one is
my
it?
point is a W. My point is
Oh, nice.
that's a gaming
Yeah.
button, you know. My point is, even with 12 years of knowledge, my fingers still miss the buttons.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not. That's why I'm not everything that you need fingers to do.
You're
Okay,
not Hungarian? Is that a job description?
so I'm opening Somnium space.
I as well. But okay, hold on. Let me just jump in. Where was it again? Oh yeah, I remember. Tournament Plaza. Here I come.
Twitter people don't really like what I'm doing.
Really?
That's fine, I guess.
What are they like saying stuff or something? Or hey, look,
It
incredible.
start 14 and now it's 5.
Oh,
I guess it's curiosity, but I have to rethink all this because I mean, just not a lot of people interest. Okay. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Great. Good one. With my Christmas flower. That's growing on snow.
where are you? You coming? I'm there. Oh,
What a time to be in virtual world, right?
yeah.
Oh, I forgot to say my sentence. I have to say it at the end.
We'll say it.
The sentence is, "May our love reach you.
Yeah.
Goodbye."
And I love reach everyone.
But that's too generic. It have no meaning. I mean, it's worthless if it's too generic.
It's not generic. I think giving love to everyone is
You're generic.
all you can do.
You're generic.
You're generic, bro. What are you talking about? You're like every other hyena I've met. You know that?
I'm crying.
It's like I've met another one, right?
I went to Hyena meeting in the last Fur Fest in VR chat. We were 3 or 4.
Yeah, you told me about it.
Dang, that was a
That's
lot.
nice, bro.
That was. I shall make Hyena Highland in Simon Place.
Hyena Highland.
Highland. Where everything is made of normal stuff, since we love normal stuff, I guess.
I thought hyenas like the zebra meat or something. Right?
No.
Imagine if everything was made of zebra meat.
What do you think?
Yummy.
Why do you think I'm that weird? I'm not eating meat. Oh, you're already
Yeah,
there.
yeah, I'm there. Yay! Let's go. Let's go. Waiting for it to load. Hey,
The oh,
who's
what's
that?
this?
Is that you?
Sorry, what's this?
Oh yeah, it's a Woofer Blast memorial.
What?
No war.
Memorial?
Yeah, like a sign. Says no war. Like a billboard. Yeah. Look at love XOX.
Why I'm walking when I'm can? Oh no. I guess I have to
Man, it
go
still
back
didn't
and
load for me. Didn't load.
I'm gonna go back. I'm so I'm so happy I have this here for a limited time.
Yeah.
Let's go very far, like downtown. Shoot and go back. Shoot. I'm sad that it's hard to see in front of us. I mean, we can use photo mode, but still. I mean,
Let's go.
sorry, I was looking at myself. Go,
Yeah,
go,
I think if it was like click on the right and the left, and then maybe you can like have like a free camera.
I mean,
I think that
I
would be nice.
personally, I remember Warcraft camera. It was very well done. You could
Yeah.
look in every direction. It was natural. I mean, I don't know. It's just my opinion. Why
Yeah.
I can't click on it? Can you?
Yeah, I can click on it.
It's broken. Photo mode. Exit photo mode. Nya nya nya. I will be back again.
Where you go? There.
Oh no! No button is working.
Really?
I will be back.
Alright, I'll be right here.
Wait, sometime I could just click somewhere else. There, here, no. Map, click here, no. Okay, quit. That's fine. If it's rare bugs, it's fine. Oh no, wrong button. Sorry, wrong button. Boo-doo-doo. Duty. They are working on the new launcher, right?
Yeah.
I can't wait to stop saying 2D. It's so inaccurate.
Maybe it should be like
PC.
desktop PC
Everyone
mode.
said PC, VR, builder. That's it.
Yeah, I was thinking about the builder though.
Or
Calling it
desktop.
that is too, you know, because it has more stuff than
understand, but
just the
still.
builder. So I was thinking,
It's
what do you think would be a good name
Builder
actually?
is as accurate as 2D for the PC version.
Maybe it can be called, no, if it was called dashboard, then people wouldn't know that you could build in it maybe. I don't know.
Dashboard is not bad.
Hey, there you are. Woo!
I mean, you can select avatar, mint, and play with
Yeah.
the carousel, so it will be, I don't know. I mean, in theory, VR could be the builder too, since you build friendship.
That's a good idea, yeah. Friendship builder.
Oh,
Oh, what happened?
I guess it's
Oh.
working.
Hold on, I'm gonna jump in. Did it work? Cool.
Guess. Why is there player? Yeah, it's working. Look.
Cool.
Player
Awesome.
and number. So I guess you can put pretty much anything.
Cool.
I would be surprised if you can put a complex object. But if I remember correctly, I succeed to put list and dictionary inside those parameters. It's like sub-dictionaries. So I guess you can put I mean, I don't want to explain too complex concept. But you know what is serialization?
It's when it goes through it?
Serialization, it means you can convert complex object into text. Then you do deserialization and you convert back into objects. That's whoops, I forgot that word reporting. That's how you send stuff through the network.
Cool.
It doesn't mean it converts stuff into cereal that you can eat. Don't misunderstand.
So, do you think like do you think you could take another look at what I'm doing at the very
Sure.
end?
Let's go
Where
there.
like cool.
Let's try to convert it to the numbers. So my first oh my god, translation. My first advice will be when you write stuff in custom properties, you need to expect it to take some time to update. So you cannot write 2 times in a frame. I would say try to update maximum every tenth of a second, right?
So should I put a like a weight?
You could, yeah, you could. You have a wait.
Wait for.
Wait, there's. I think there's something you can use. Just me find my script. I have a script I made. It's called wait until repeat. Let's see how it works. Delay before repeat. How does it work? Okay, maybe not the best way. Can we do something more simple, like if you use coroutine, wait until, wait while, wait for a second, wait for next frame, wait for flow, wait for a second. I mean, what you want is to create delay only if you could track the time. You could track the time. So yeah, let's do that if you want. You take the time, okay, on a variable. Then next time you execute it, something, you force a delay, for example. I don't know. I don't know. It's just ideas. What do you think? Maybe you don't need that, you know. So you want to update the score, right?
Yeah, I think if I can get the float to work, one of my
you okay, listen. If you do like I did, you will change your code from a event code base to a state base. So you don't really mind, you see? Because if you update the score too fast, it's fine because it's a state. So a state is a state mean you don't care what happened, you just want to know what is, you see? If it's an event base, if you need to read every event that happened. For example, I don't know, the ball hit the goal 10 times. You need to be sure the 10 events are gonna be received or the score is gonna be wrong, you see? But if it's event based, you are gonna update the score 10 times, but only the last one it really matter at the end, you see?
Okay.
In fact, that's what custom properties are made for. You could still use it as a fake event sender because we have nothing else. But then it need to have a maximum speed. You see?
Okay.
So for you, I will start the what do we say?
Score?
Well, yeah, store the score. That's it. All this
Yes.
all this complicated explanation. Oh yeah, just put the variable score. That's it, man.
Okay. Am I doing like one thing I'm thinking as well is like at the end, am I doing it like am I initializing the custom properties correctly with like on trigger enter and then check? Is that okay? Am I doing that right?
You could just do I mean, for me, when I initialize anything, I use I wait for the main camera to be not null. So I'm sure in any circumstances the thing is set.
Cool.
So you could do that too. Or I mean, you could also just use start and
That
add a
works?
delay.
Oh.
Using start is very dangerous because you don't know when the start is. Is it before photon is initialized? Is it before the player is spawned? You see what I mean? So
Yeah.
for me, I consider the start of everything. Oh, we have sorry, we have what is his name? Artifact that just says stuff.
Oh, nice. Where?
Yeah, I mean, Artifact said that we could test in Unity, but what I was meaning is that you cannot test without creating some sort of fake game. You test the Galaxy script and then create a new room. Okay. Artifact said that your super unique is only taking bool.
Yeah, I was changing the score based on the bool. So I kind of understand now. Yeah.
If I was you, I will convert the script to one that take object as input.
Yeah. Object?
Yeah.
What do you mean by object?
Change the super unit.
Yeah.
Or you can create a duplicate, you know.
Yeah, but what do I change? Like right here.
You see the input? It's
Yeah.
it's a boolean
Value.
Change it for object. Yeah, object.
Oh, nice.
So you could put anything
Cool.
now.
Cool. Thanks.
What Artifact said is interesting. Maybe if someone have time, we could do a photon test compatible game. Not game, but Unity project. I don't know. I have one, but I really rarely use it because it's just take too much time, you know. So you're lucky I test all this already.
One other question I have, Denevra, is
so now you can
like
simplify all this. You see,
yeah.
you can put all this much more simple. Yeah, I'm looking at you, so
Oh,
look
okay.
at me, because it will make a quantum circle.
So yeah, this is I'm gonna like one thing I was
Did you initialize
wondering.
with 0?
Yeah, I mean right now, like right here, I was doing bool and then I was changing it based on that. But now here, yeah, I was changing these to 0. I put blue score 0 and right here.
Okay.
But now I have to do that. So okay, that's great. One thing like I wonder as well is when I teleport the ball, right?
Mm-hmm.
Will this have any effect on like the trigger itself?
Teleporting the ball inside or outside the trigger?
Like when the trigger is hit, sometimes the ball will actually go through, right? Because it becomes so fast. And when it teleports back out, right?
Um,
Will it affect that? Does it, or is
uh,
that on trigger
yes, but
exit?
it will have
Yes?
to be crazy fast.
Well, yeah,
Oh,
the
you
ball
mean the
goes really fast.
collision? The
Yeah, it
collision.
goes
Oh,
in and then when it goes out, I think
the
that might
ball
be
goes that
doing
fast?
thing. Yeah, bro, you know, like you played it. Ultra Ball, you know? We're
Okay,
shooting
but
the ball,
you
it'll
can
just shoot in and
change the on collision to on trigger enter instead.
oh,
On trigger
awesome.
enter will even work with teleportation if I'm
I
correct.
have it as that.
Oh yeah, yeah, okay. So
Yeah.
this should work all the time.
I think like what you were saying before about how I was changing them like on like one frame. I think this happens every frame, right? So I think maybe that was having the effect. I'm
Okay.
gonna go through it
But
and do it
you
over
know
now.
what? I think you should. Can I see your physical configuration of the ball? I think
Yeah.
we can put it more complex. Since it's just one ball, we could put it to the
So
highest quality possible.
here's the ball,
Okay.
right? And
Where is the
it's an
collider?
object.
Where is
Here
the
it has
rigid body?
this. The rigid body's in the sphere. That's a
Okay.
child
So we
of. And then I have photon view and photon.
continuous dynamic. Can I see the continuous dynamic? Collision. Okay, you change it to. Can you open the drop down of collision detection? Continuous dynamic. Was it like this by default?
No, I changed it. I think it's discrete. I think that's the least GPU intensive. So I changed it to this. I think this is the best one.
Rigid
I'm not
body.
sure.
One sec. So don't worry, don't forget it's only one entity. So it doesn't matter if it's GPU or network intensive. You will never see the difference anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, it's my opinion. Collision detection mode. Which is okay. Okay. And other object with which there's need to collide with to continuous. Okay, for best result, set this value to continuous dynamic for fast moving object, and for other object with these need to collide with, set it to continuous. Alternatively, you can use speculative, which generally cheaper than also use if you don't have issue with default value of discrete continuous collision detection is only support for rigid body with sphere, capsule, box collider. Interesting. What about your rigid body? On
The rigid body
sphere.
on the sphere? Yeah, this is it.
Okay, so interpolate, extrapolate, collision detection, interpolate, interpolation. Smooth out the effect of running physics at fixed frame rate. This can lead to jittery looking object because physics are greater or
Is that talking about extrapolate?
What is the other option?
Interpolate.
Interpolation before interpolate. Oh, did it change the name maybe?
What?
Why is it I call
Use a different name?
version? No, sometimes when you change Unity version in the dock,
Hmm.
it's not always the. It's different sometimes if you change a version. Oh, 2019.2 for the best documentation. Rigid body, interpolation. Auto smooth out the effect of running physics at fixed frame rate. Why mean extrapolate? Normally extrapolate I think wait. Okay. Extrapolation is exposition prediction from last frame. So it tried to go faster than the physics itself.
So do you think that's not a good idea to
If you
maybe
have
use
fast
interpolate?
moving object, this can lead to rigid bodies passing through colliders for one frame and then snapping back. So I think
Oh.
it should do interpolate. Extrapolation is saying, okay, last frame you went there to there, so now, because you know how the physics work, right, in Unity?
Yeah, it pushes things out,
No,
right?
no, sorry, too generic question. So in Unity, it's too heavy to execute the physics every frame. Damn it, stupid Discord. Where's my mouse? Okay. In Unity, it's too heavy to execute the physics every frame. So how Unity work? There's a fixed time rate. It can be 30, 50, 60 frames per second, and this is only for the physics. So for example, if you have 144 Hz in your headset, the physics won't go faster. The physics would be limited to, I don't know, 30, 50 or 60, you see? But if you want nice movement, what do? You do interpolation or extrapolation. So it means when an object is moving, it will estimate the position, you see? So I will guess extrapolation is a lossy approximation. For example, if you say the ball go this direction super fast and then go back, at the time you go back, the ball will go further because it's thinking, oh, you have this speed in this direction, so you should be there, you see? So it's an approximation, so it make mistake. But if you do interpolate, the ball will be late, in fact, you see, but accurate.
Oh, cool.
You can also disable it, right? If it's the ugliest, but the most accurate.
Nice.
Can I see your thing?
My what? Yeah, sure. What? The actual ball?
The collider.
Yeah, the
no,
collider,
no, sorry, the rigid body. Sorry, my bad.
the rigid body here.
Okay. What's the other option?
There's none.
Okay, that's it. So none or interpolate, I guess.
Yeah, I'll try these out. Thank you. Cool. Also, bro, yo, I made this moving a platform that moves thanks to Kid Nerf's help using lerp. So I don't know if I'm doing it right though, but it works. You see what I'm doing? I'm doing start
Okay,
and then after it's done, I'm doing it again. And then after
you know
it's
you
done.
can use an animation, right? Just saying.
Yeah, I know, but like the animations, they don't really sync up well, and I wanted a thing that would sync up well, you know. And also, bro, the other day, man.
Wait, it's not
Yeah.
true.
I don't know.
Let me
Yeah?
explain you, okay? To have the best multiplayer experience, what you do is when you move something, it only moves by itself on one client, and then the position is sent everywhere. You see? So an animation can only be run on one client, and then the motion is sent. You see what I mean? So you have a photon view on the object. The animation is only executed at one place. It will be the same for you for the script, by the way. You see
So
what I
does it
mean?
make a difference?
I think it's gonna be chaotic if everyone is trying to move the platform themselves and trying to synchronize this. So I think the best is it's always like this.
Platform moves on its own.
Like this. You do stuff
Okay.
locally and then you send the position, the state, or whatever. You see what I mean?
Yeah. So is an animation the best way to move things? You know,
You can
doing.
still do it your way as long as you don't do it if you don't own the platform. You see?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. You don't own it. It's just there. It's
Can I see your code?
moving. Yeah, sure. So here it
Oh,
is. Start. There's a timer on the tick. Transform local position set. The moving
but where do you check
platform.
if you own it or not?
Oh, I don't check that at all. It's fixed. Like right here, I have a photon
Ah, that's
view
not bad.
fixed and photon
Uh,
transform view.
okay, so in theory, if uh, no, wait, there's something is wrong. Okay, the ownership is fine. Okay, but the script will still execute right now. This doesn't
Yeah.
prevent the script of running, so you have to check the ownership.
What do you mean?
You should only execute the script on the person that own it. You see?
Yeah, nobody owns it. This is just a. It just moves on its own. It's
Okay.
just there.
No, you don't understand. When nobody is in the game, right?
Yeah.
Nobody own anything, and then everything
Okay.
is vanished. You see?
Yeah.
Because the game is on client side. As long as one person is in the game, he own everything. You see?
Okay. Yeah.
So that's what owning mean. So the script should be executed in this side. So you execute the script to everyone, and you check, are you owning it? Yes or no? You see?
How do I check it if you own it?
To be honest, it's still experimental on my side, so I guess we need to try it.
Okay.
You
Cool.
want to do that?
For
To
sure,
test your
bro. Of
platform
course.
together. Okay. So what was I saying? Oh yeah. So let's go checking this.
I also was
There's
able to
multiple.
use.
There's multiple function. I'm just not sure which one. First, it will be photon view. I'm owner. I don't know. Wow, so much description. I'm gonna die.
The other day while I was making the platform, I was able to actually get the player to stick onto it using parent set. But then the problem happened when I tried to unparent the player.
Oh,
That wasn't a simple thing.
I'm doing something similar, but without parenting.
Cool.
But it's not ready yet. When it's gonna be ready, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
So we need own. Man, I don't know how to write. Owner. Does it make sense? I'm owner. What does it mean? I'm with a I maybe, but I don't know. I'm gonna try type ownership. Ownership and control. I love this photon dock. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Let's put it here in my dock. Okay. I mean, I want to read all this, but I'm gonna go fast. Owner. Owner of the photon view indicate the default controller of the photon view, I guess. Case of network room object, there is no owner, as the object is owned by the room and not by an actor. In case there is an owner. Oh my god.
Yo.
What?
Yo, I'm gonna be right back.
Okay, sure. I'm gonna check this very fast. It's lame to stream documentation, but hey, that's how it is. How we do stuff. Did I close my internet? Okay, sorry. Is there comments? So we are trying to find who own an object. Ownership transfer. It's not what I want. Request takeover. No. No. The owner of the photon view indicate the default controller of the photon view. I guess I'm just gonna display it. Yeah, I guess that's the best idea. So let's take our script again.
Hey, I'm back.
Fine, it was fast. So I guess I'm gonna have to test it. I'm trying to see ownership. So Text Mesh Pro. Photon view. Expose. That's everything we can see right now. Hey, good. So synchronization, ownership transfer. Is mine. I'm controller. Let's try everything, I guess, at this point.
There's owner.
I don't know.
Then there's owner.
I guess I'm gonna just print everything until I know what's happening. So is mine. Boolean to string. Not mine does node, it's just for making it's simpler to print. And then it go there. And this go here. Hey, go away. Good. Okay. I'm controller, no idea what it is. I'm gonna compare what Ultralord have and me to understand what it mean. Then I'm owner? I'm controller? Oh my god. Does it make sense in English? Or I'm crazy?
I mean, no, it does. It's just, you know, I mean, it's not grammatically correct. I mean, but
Yeah, that's what I
could
mean.
use it. It's like a simplified form.
Look,
You could even ask it as a question, really. Am owner? It's like you're asking
okay,
yourself.
it's a question. But I mean, I would say, am I owner? Like,
Yeah, exactly, right?
so weird. Okay, I want to know what this is. Player. Okay, I don't have the player. I'm gonna go get it. Tool, boat, Unity option, wizard. Next, and I need player. That's a photon thing. Photon, real-time player. There. So now I will have access to player in my bolt scripting. Don't we have so much fun? Streamers? No, I'm not streamer, sorry.
This is great, bro.
Build. Let's go build. You can build it.
We can build it, you can build it, let's go building. Here we
You know I
go,
have
about
this
to build. Where?
expensive camera just to upload.
Yeah, nice.
Okay,
Bro,
so this
so
is a
nice.
player, and then I have actor number. What? Can I have a name? His local nickname? Oh, I don't know. Okay,
Nickname,
controller.
cool.
Controller. Let's never mind those bowl. So this is the controller nickname, if it make any sense. User ID, if it make any sense. Ah, sorry. controller ID. Then is master client. I have no idea what that means. We are gonna learn a lot of stuff here, so maybe lame to look, but it's very nice.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, it's been a while. I was wanting to do that. Those are crucial information. Is inactive. Other does the player activity. Oh, and the player custom property. But we don't mind. Tag object is local too. They are nice. My node look is local.
Yeah, bro, it's nice.
Is local.
I'm learning. I'm gonna do it like this from now on. Much cleaner.
Okay. I guess that's fine. And the same for owner. So there's a concept of owner and controller. So I
just
guess if you take,
wait.
I don't know what it means. Not sure. Enable is active and enable transfer GUI layout is mine is owner active. Oh my god. Is mine.
So Denevro, just a question. When it comes to bool to string, you don't have to put the
Oh yeah,
active, or are you waiting?
I'm waiting. Don't.
Oh, okay.
Don't. I'm sorry. Is
No, don't
mine
apologize. I just wanted to know.
is owner active. I'm controller. You see that I did it a lot when I learned Photon for Somnium. Before I just paste every single things of the word in my clipboard. Okay. Now I have to copy paste all this and do it again for the play owner. Owner nickname. No, not there. The ID is a text. That's so weird. Good. This will go here. Then I will master client is local. Guess that's pretty much it. So from the start, the order doesn't matter. Then here, and this should work, maybe. Is room view. This could be interesting. Let me add it. Because is room view. I was not correct when I told you sooner that everything is owned by someone, because I think they said the room can own stuff, but then I think you own the room, so it's kind of complicated, I guess. Like politics. Okay, guess that's pretty much it. I'm gonna make sure my text is big enough, right?
Yeah, it's a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lines. That seems fine. Good, let's go. Manager.content, delete. Hey, gonna start Somnium in advance. Word config. Upload. This is crucial. We need to know how to check the ownership. Then only the owner can control something, and it's gonna make multiplayer so much better. Buttons, triggers, animation, moving parts, everything's gonna be better.
Awesome.
For me, I was just tailing ownership, not caring who owns something. But for more advanced multiplayer things like slow motion stuff and NPC player, this is mandatory.
Cool.
And after IWU, I want to work on NPCs.
Radical.
I want them to have memories of who they saw and personalities and stuff like this. Like there's this one that's super curious, and I want always to pee and eat. And the other is super like, don't trust you. And then you need to, that was so fun.
Do you see? Have you ever played Oblivion?
No, but
Elder Scrolls? Well, yeah, like I don't know if they have it in Skyrim, but in Oblivion they had this thing where the NPCs had their own lives. Like they'd wake up and sleep, and you could follow them around.
Yeah,
I think it was called Radial NPC system.
That's some kind of things I want in my dream of Incredible World,
Yeah, that would be awesome. Oh shoot, it didn't load. I gotta.
Sorry, I did not upload yet.
Upload? Okay, I'm showing here.
I think it's not. You cannot even call it AI. It's scripted intelligence. In fact, the real thing. But that's the minimum, and they don't do it in so many games. It's just random. I have a random NPC just walking, hi, and saying random sentence.
Yeah.
I mean, scriptable intelligence can be. I mean, look at the Sims. Those are scriptable intelligence, and it's kind of interesting. You see what I mean?
Yeah. It's like
life,
there's emergent events, things you wouldn't even know what happened, just like in the surroundings.
Yeah,
it's called emergent gameplay.
All the AI just talking together,
Yeah, if you did it in Somnium space, could you have it so that the AI live even when the world is not there?
That will be complicated, but
Yeah.
the best I can do easily is then to have a personality that is persistent and memories.
Cool.
You see?
Cool. That's
a
cool.
little database and a little memory for each of them, so they could remember people, maybe not what they said, but how they feel about them. Stuff
Nice.
Like
a
maybe
reputation
in the
system.
future I can use Google speech recognition for business. That is a more respectful for the data way of speech recognition.
Really?
That will be but that will be disabled by default. I mean, not everyone wants to be here by AI.
Yeah.
I mean, it's you pay for it. Of course, it's more respectful of your data.
Right.
It's not because it's made by Google that it's bad,
Yeah, I mean,
But
Google's
if it's free,
Google.
don't touch.
Yeah.
You know when your parents say when you're young, don't speak to a stranger. They should
Yeah,
say
that's
after
that free stuff.
And if it's true, if you got free stuff, don't touch. It's toxic.
Yeah. There's no such thing as a free.
Yeah.
Bro, even when you go to a restaurant, they'll give you a free bowl of nachos for your email. They're just give us your email, and you're like,
Oh my God.
bro, they go and they sell the emails and all this.
No, I will say, okay, how much is the nachos?
Exactly, right?
I mean, I ordered breakfast yesterday, and I paid for my my spread of I don't remember 25 cents. Like, you charge me the spreading.
Yeah.
No,
I think they do that in Europe. You have to when you go to McDonald's.
You have to pay for water.
Yeah, you have to pay for
I mean, for
the
them
ketchup,
it's normal, but
the little thing.
Oh
It's
my
like
God.
what?
No, but the worst is paying for water. Then you buy beer because it's cheaper.
Wow.
I mean, what I was meaning is we love you all, and we love us.
Yeah, we're sending love to
You
everyone.
are different, and we love it. We love you for that.
We have drop acid here.
Sorry.
Just chilling.
Oh,
Someone's right here.
hello. Hello. You know, for every things that you do, you should send twice the love.
That's a good philosophy.
I mean,
Every time you do a hand
to
thing,
compensate the rest of the earth, you will need to give 100 times more. But well, yeah, whatever, you know.
yeah, 100 million times more.
I know there is still drama sometime in our metaverse, but still, it's a
What do you
beautiful
mean?
space we are. It's normal,
Yeah,
but it's
yeah,
a
I
beautiful
know.
space we are building.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's
Everyone
gorgeous.
respecting everyone, and when I
Yeah,
see new artists, I'm so glad to see all those different culture and stuff. I'm like, oh my god, it's so different. I'm
yeah.
so glad.
Uh,
Hey,
I see the loads up.
we
See
came
this
to
guy
see
just
some
hanging around.
variables.
No loitering.
Hey,
What are you doing?
hey, wanna see variables? Wanna see some variables? Hey,
Yo, he's speaking. The robot's speaking
oh my
to
god, that's so
us.
scary. Anyway, I should reload. Hey,
Yeah.
want to see some variables?
You looking for me? I got some
Those
variables.
variables are free. And then if you are addict, it's a big price.
Yeah. Gotta watch out. Don't get addicted to variables. Highly addictive.
My
Here
opinion on this
we
is very
go.
variable.
Oh, nice.
Did I? I
Yeah, I'm
was not
jumping in.
concentrated. I hope I did not did it wrong. I hate those people that put fake website.
Yeah? What do you mean?
In YouTube and Twitch, they put like they put some sentence that are website but are too far from website. Oh no, I guess it crashed. Did I miss?
Whoa.
Did I
What
miss
happened?
something? Let me go
What does it
see.
say? So,
No. Okay, start. No, fix update. Missing photon view component. Oh, damn it. My bad. I forgot to add a
oh.
photon view.
Yeah.
Fix. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, yeah. Let's try again. If I
I'm gonna jump
delete
out.
if I delete the word while we are inside it, is the ground
What
gonna
happened?
disappear?
Yo, let's do it.
Imagine it will.
What?
No.
Yo. Oh.
Delete the word.
No, yo, we're still in here.
With my new project, we are not going to need the uploading anymore.
Yeah, I'm very excited for that. What you're doing is spectacular, bro.
Yeah. It's quite simple but limitless in possibilities.
Wow. Nice.
Oh my god, I'm starting to talk like a marketing guy, saying nothing but
Nah,
advertising.
that's good, bro. Big think, big
Wow.
thoughts. That's
Wow,
great.
wow, what he said is so great. What is he talking about?
You have to let them fill it with their own
Why do you think I
imagination,
have
bro. That's the thing.
a business tie now, you know?
Yeah, the power tie.
I'm joking, I don't do it for business first. I'm just having fun.
What do you saw? You know, bro. Like that's great. I'm voting for you.
Yeah, I mean my first motivation is having fun developing it.
Yeah, bro.
Then
It's the whole thing. Oh, great. Here we go.
sharing, and then third motivation is paying a part of my rent.
Yeah, but being able to provide value and get value in return. You know, that's great, bro. That's like
Yeah.
it's the most beautiful thing, you know? Like life
So
itself.
I want a transparent business that is sharing together something. and
Yeah.
not just someone trying to rape the other, you know?
Yeah, win-win, like
Yeah,
in
but
game theory.
I feel there's just too much companies like this.
Yeah. Where'd you go, bro? Are you still in the world, or are you
No,
doing
no,
like an
I'm
upload?
uploading.
I'm just gonna chill here.
I think Somnium is more on the sharing part.
Yeah, I mean, we're building a community.
Mm.
I'll be right back. Gonna grab some water.
Let me hydrate. I'm gonna be right back. Begin hydration. End hydration. Hello, Wilson. Today at Hyena Creator Sunday Show, we are doing variables. Successful. Hello, Taratres. How are you doing? Hazahina, I'm Blake Hot.
Yo, I'm back.
And I'm Front.
Hey. Now we're front and back. Now we're a two-sided polygon.
No, it's called full stack.
Look at us. Full stack. Full stack
A
engineers.
full stack team. One get the front, the other get the back. I'm falling in the void. I'm gonna respawn.
Oh.
This respawn button
No.
is interesting.
Cool, nice.
When you fall in the void, you press the button. When you fall in the void, you press the button. Test ownership too.
Dude, it didn't load for me.
When you are two, you test
Let me
together.
just
When
go
you are
back.
three, you test together.
That's good.
And we are four, we test forever.
So,
When we are five, do a high five. Ah, you're
no, it didn't load for
serious.
me yet. There it goes. Did it work? Oh no.
Does it answer to your question? What happened? I'm gonna test it locally. Something is wrong. My mouse is broken too. Okay. Oh my god, that's so annoying. I give you photon view, I give you bird. What do you want from me? Oh, I didn't put it here. Oh! I forgot to put the text. No, I put some text. Why it's not there? Sample text. Something is wrong, but I don't know what. I cannot test this locally. Okay, since we are looking to make more tests, I'm gonna speed up this. Oh, because there can be null. Okay, no, I will do a null check in this case. But why player is null?
You know what's really good, man? Standing desks. I have a standing desk. I removed it and I sat down for a bit. But now I put it again, and I have to say the difference is quite clear. Like, yeah, standing desks are really nice.
Can I do new player? Or can I do... The problem I have is that it, the player may be null. That's a problem. Oh. I'm gonna speed up the testing. It's too slow. I'm gonna use my secret technique you cannot talk about because it's on patent. I'm joking. Bam, 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 bam. Down, 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 down. Not null. Okay. If it's not null, go there. I'm sorry for the waiting. Doing my best.
No, no reason to apologize, bro. Thank you. But what's this secret technique you're gonna use the photon demo?
No, I'm gonna use my I'm gonna use half my online system to
Cool.
upload only a part of my word.
What? That's awesome, bro. That's that's nice.
But I have to update it first because it only worked for 1 week and it's outdated now. Quick. I put it the special link here. That's pretty much it. I just need to regenerate the link every time, every week. Todres says I just bought LP in has downloaded the app, but it wasn't clear how to actually start the game experience. I didn't help. It was PC client return and 2D. That I a PC client. Check out this guy. Yeah, Toltres, normally you should play the game just by pressing 2D, right? Yeah, they are supposed to change it soon, but that's the way to play, not VR. If this button don't work, you can come to Discord and check with us, but normally it's quite working easily. Did you send a link to the Twitch utility?
Yeah.
The link doesn't work. It's forbidden.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I sent the Somnium Space guide.
Yeah, just type Somnium Space Guide on Google. It should be fine. Somnium Space dash guide. Wait. Somnium Space dash guide.com should work. Okay, come. Yeah, that's it. I copy paste. I'm sorry. I think I lost where I was. Cube. Yeah, I'm gonna upload my special tricks first. So I disable this. I just hope it will work. I'm sorry if it don't. I hate when this take time, but oh yeah. Tool. First, Somnium space, PC client. Delete. Only one word can be uploaded. I mean, I understand them. Storage is very expensive on server. And then people like Cardific and me had hundreds of stuff. Like, I think he showed us a picture. You have 300 words, you can only have 3.
Yeah.
I think they are working on an option of updating the words instead of we won't need the builder anymore. I hope it's
Cool.
coming soon. So it will be similar to what I'm doing right now.
Wow.
Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Boy. Okay, it's joke time. Owner chips. Haha, it's very funny. Think you're funny? Think you're funny? That's not funny. It's very serious here. It's called bundle name, not jokes name.
Owner chip sounds nice.
Oh, talking about owner chips, now I'm angry. Hungry, sorry. I speak a French. Let's go upload, let's go. Let's go upload, let's go. I mean, I wonder if it's like elevators. If I press multiple time upload, is it going to be faster? What? Upload error?
What? What the hell? What happened, man?
Description? The title, error on imitation button called detect. What? 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 What happened? Maybe
I don't
it's
know.
still working? Confused. Confusion is born. Confusion is born. Okay, now let's upload my special thingy. Asset uploader. My cube is here. Oh yeah, I still have to finish it. Good. Null check. Blah blah blah. Set up the variable. Add. Okay, I do a add. I'm sorry for the complication here. You don't need to understand what I'm doing. Since this can be null, I have to make sure if it's null, everything else will be print. That's just the thing. So I take the variable text, I add it. I mean, this will still print something if everything is null. That's the objective. So I take the text, I add this to it, Then I do the same twice for the other. Then if this one is null too, it will print nothing. Oh, no, it will print this. This can be print. So, we do a null check again. Of owner. Then, if it's not null, we do that. If it's fine, go here. If it's not, go there. So confused. But at the end, we end up here somehow. Don't ask, I don't know. We end up here. Oh, sorry. You know, coding is like a relationship. I'm joking. I have no idea what I'm saying. Okay. This go there. I have no way of testing it, so it can be wrong. That's fine. Let's go here. Text add blah blah blah. Go here there. Let's go here. String. Then we go there. Let's try it. I'm gonna try it first. Secondly, I'm going in game. Oh, it's 5 people looking in Twitch. Hi everyone, I'm Denevro from Somnium Space, and today is Creator Sunday stream. And we do
Whoa, look at that. Nice.
Oh my god. This is called please clear the string first. Sorry for I was just doing my introduction. So I'm Denevro from Somnium Space. This is Creator's Sunday stream. And we do some every Sunday we do creative stuff about Somnium. It could be avatar related, parcel related, and mostly I'm doing words related since there's so much knowledge developed and we barely did 1% of everything we can do. And this include me, Artific and Ultralord and others. Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome, bro. There's still so much to do.
I mean, literally we can do not everything, but we can do half of anything you can do in a game. And maybe sooner even more. If they implement callback. Just saying.
Implement callback?
Yeah,
Oh.
implement callbacks. Why
I saw that like game object instantiate in Photon. Does that need
Yes,
you
because
can't use
the problem is Somnium Space change the default callback, I think, so this doesn't work. So we will need a custom call. It's complicated, I would say. Null and null. So it print is room view true. Good. I guess now I can upload it.
Awesome.
Because if Somnium Space could implement a generic callback system, we could make work pretty much everything that is not working right now. I mean, I think it's possible. Or the alternative would be to generate callback for everything we need instead of a generic one.
Cool.
For example, everything that's related to multiplayer, callbacks will make our life so much more easier.
Awesome.
Did I upload the word?
I don't know. I don't see anything.
I forgot to upload the word. Oh my god, I think I did.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Or did I? Tell me if you see it. Sometimes it can be long.
I'm watching it.
love your stream. I just don't like the fact that 50% of the time it's looking at loading screen. It's not, it's live, you know, it's live because there's loading screens. Even in my tutorials, I fast up my loading screens. This music is entertaining. Bang, 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 bada, bada, bang, bang. Did it work? Okay. Oops. I'm confused. I think I uploaded it.
I don't see
You
anything.
don't see it? You don't see it?
No.
Because maybe it's because of the error I got. Okay,
Think?
I'm uploading it. Try again to go back and whatever.
Okay.
Do the thing.
Do the thing with the
Yeah, do a
thing
little
and
dance
the other
to
thing.
make the thing. I guess I'm gonna try to re-upload. Can you try it right now?
Yeah, I'm going back. I'm doing the thing. Here I go, thing.
The thing.
Thing.
The thing or the thing?
And I only see world name.
Okay. Let's assume it's broken.
Hmm. If it's broken, what do you think it's broken?
Because I call it ownership for sure.
Owner chips. Yeah, it's like, it's like, yo, it's asset bundle, bro. You can't be doing that.
It's not funny. Don't call stuff chips that cannot be eaten.
Don't trick people like that.
VR should not be related to lame reality.
LR, isn't that like RL? Right?
Trying to find a word for describing the reality, you know, like VR, but we have the BR, basic reality, or default, or lame.
Yeah, I like that. Nah, come on, it's not lame, bro. Come on, reality's great.
It's fine. That's
Regardless
where,
of what's
I
going
mean, that's
on, you
where
know?
VR is at the end, so it's fine, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, trial number try. Try number try. It said description error, and I did not
Huh?
put description. Ah. I'm still not woke up, man.
Did you have like 2 cups of coffee?
Yeah. I took sleeping pills.
No.
I do it sometime when I don't have good sleep for a few days.
Wow, you've been working hard, eh?
No. I mean,
Partying hard.
I've been working hard last week. I don't consider work when I
Yeah.
work on my special project, you know?
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah. You've been having a lot of fun, bro.
I mean, it's funny because the thing I love the most is the most exhausting thing, VR and watching TV. If I play video game or code or work, it's a little less exhausting.
Watching TV is exhausting?
Not ask, I don't know why.
Maybe it's all the drama.
If
What
I-
kind
like-
of shows
yeah,
are you
yeah.
watching?
I mean, I look at animes, I would say. Yeah. I'm like too much into it. Like, I don't know, it's exhausting. I don't know how to explain it differently.
Like it's emotionally exhausting. You get emotionally like invested.
Yeah,
The characters,
that's probably
right?
it. That's why I love alternative reality like VR.
Yeah, me too.
It's
when you get
evasion.
immersed in the world. I
It's
don't think it's
evasion.
like I don't like to like call it like that. I mean, I think it's like an augmentation. I mean, think of your imagination, right? It's the same thing, except it's just like extrapolated. It's like outside of you now.
I mean,
You know what I mean?
if you think of the infinite possibility of the virtual world, it's limitless, right?
Yeah.
TVs, games, VR, all this. There's so much more possibilities in this virtual world than in the real one, right? Right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I did not intend to do philosophy.
I don't. Yeah, but like it's part of it. You know, it's inevitable, kind of.
Yeah.
We're gonna
You
make
know,
our
with the
imagination.
war, I realized that all this make more sense than anything else. So I'm like,
Yeah.
I think now I understand my brother that just do this for his life, that gaming. I mean, it's fine.
You like, bro, playing is what makes us human. Playing games
I
without
mean,
these things, we're not human anymore. Like we lose that essential
yeah.
piece of
I mean,
humanity.
to simplify it, I think the pyramid of needs.
Yeah.
The top
Yeah, the
one,
Maslow's
yeah, the top one
pyramid
is
of needs, yeah.
distraction for me. You know, the sun on the top. Distraction is the thing that everyone want to do.
It's self-actualization, right? Everyone wants to
I
become,
mean, this is the top of the pyramid,
right?
but the sun of the pyramid will be distraction. Everything that make you live. You
Yeah,
know.
it's trying to avoid the fact that you're gonna die, right?
No, it's having fun. Distraction. Everything that
I
make you
mean, but it's
pass the
not a
time.
distraction. That's
It's
like
not the
calling,
right word. It's just a mistranslation. But
like it's like playing, you know? It's like
host is
oh,
Aina.
what's
Do
the
you
hyena? Yeah, hyena. Yeah,
Hi,
Biocry.
hi, Ina. I'm the Nevro. Hi, I'm the Nevro. I love myself, and I'm Sun Space Sunday streamer, creator, Sunday Somnium Space.
Yeah. Oh, Sony's face.
Oh my god. The good part of the loading screen is I'm less exhausted after the stream. when there's more loading screen. Hi, welcome to Loading Screen Sunday stream,
Yeah.
where we are doing minimal stuff with a lot of loading screen. We have Unity loading screen, we have Blender loading screen, and Sun and Space loading screen.
Yeah, today we're gonna become familiar with the
All
many
those loading
loading
screens.
screens.
Yeah.
Well, you can see here.
You will learn that everything is about loading in life.
Yeah, it's the journey that counts, really.
The journey of the loading. Did I got an error again? I did not even check.
Did you upload?
I don't know.
I'm
Yeah,
there.
let's see. But I swear, if the next time it doesn't work, I'll do it without talking, making sure.
Yeah.
Can't believe it. Oh, try is there. That's a
Oh,
nice
I don't
name.
see it.
I will call my
Oh.
dog try. Try.
You have a dog?
Yeah, it's called Basil.
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 What does that mean?
I'm not sure. What does it mean?
Is that like a vegetable?
It's close to a vegetable that is
Like a pea plant or something? It's like in Arabic there's a word called bazalia. Like this pea plant or something. Didn't load for me, bro. What the hell? Hold on. What happened?
Oh my god, basil is an English word for
Really? Basil. Oh, basil.
Osimium balisicum.
Yeah, basil. Yo, talking basil.
Yeah.
That's
I
so
call it
cute.
I call it the French word sometimes. Basilic.
Sounds like a smart dog. Basil. I imagine him like, what kind of a dog is
Sorry.
he? Yo, here we go. Try.
I mean, basil is it smells very good, not him. Hey, Dork, there's some text. Oh my god, welcome to Viables on the screen. Okay, can you come now? I need your help.
Yeah. I'm jumping in.
Is mine true? I'm controller, true. Owner, nothing. Owner ID, bunch of letters and numbers.
What do you see? What do you see? Where is it? Where is
You
it?
have
Where
to
is it?
click on the the
Oh,
cube here because
Alright,
it's a dynamic object. It's loaded from
cubicle.
the internet.
Oh, whoa, here it is. Cool. What does it say?
Show me your
I
screen. I
see.
want to see you.
Okay, here, I'll show you my screen.
Where's your Discord? I hate Discord.
Can't zoom in. I got an issue with the zoom in. Oh, here I go. Zoom, 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 zoom. Here we go. So is mine false? Am controller false? Owner, I don't see anything on the owner. Owner ID, I also
Okay.
don't see anything.
Okay, that's good.
Is
That's interesting.
Yeah, and then is master client true? Is local false? Is room view true? Do you
Okay.
see this?
Okay. Okay. Now we are. Wait. I need to do print screen. Print screen. Let me do a print screen. Okay. So download ultra side. That's good. And then mine side.
What do you see?
What? Snippet
What do you
tools.
see?
Oh wait.
No, I mean,
Oh, me it's true, nothing. Owner ID is bunch of numbers and letters. Master client true. And it's all true. We are gonna make a test, okay?
Cool.
I'm gonna save it and put on my testing folders. Okay, now I'm gonna quit. Just the word, don't worry. Stay there.
Alright,
Don't move. Now I want to
Cool.
see what changed. So everything went
see it?
through again.
yeah.
Interesting. And then I'm coming back. Do you have a second? Okay.
Yeah, I do.
The second client. We need to see a third person.
I do, man. I have a laptop I can open right now.
Do you think you could
My
try
old
to
one.
open it?
Yeah. Shoot, I don't have like another account though to log
It's
into.
important to master this, not just
BioCryo is here, yo. Yo, BioCryo.
Hayo
Yo, are you here?
Hayo Cryo.
BioCryo.
Maybe he's just watching. It's fine.
I don't have another account.
Here we just love. We don't have expectation.
I'll make another account. Should I just make another account now and just?
Wait.
do it?
You have one account?
Yeah, I only have one account. Yeah.
Okay.
Look at me, the little noob, right?
Yes. What a newbie booby. I'm joking. Now it's broken.
What do you see now? Do you see?
I have a problem with this script.
Hmm.
Let me just. Ah.
Bro, I love this world. The way you structured it, it's beautiful.
It's better with the bug that's broken. But what's the tab saying? Error, what config? Oh my god, I don't even know what those error mean. Congrats, I'm just gonna
Oh, you fell, bro.
go back. There's something wrong with when you rejoin the game. It seems that the script doesn't work. So stay there.
Yep.
Did you start your new account or whatever?
No, I'll make it now. One
Okay.
moment.
Come back into D. Sorry, I am restarting Somnium because I have a problem with my script, my word. And that's good because each problem have to be found. I'm very lucky. I'm a bug magnet.
Yeah, you're a troubleshooter, bro.
Yeah, I mean the bug found me. So
Yeah,
if I'm do debugging, it's gonna be nice.
they're asking to be debugged, bro.
They want you, need you. May I bug you? I can't wait to work on my tablet.
Yeah, that sounds exciting.
Yeah, and the community content of the tablet. Okay. Is mine false? I'm controller false. Oh, that's interesting.
So yeah, I just made the account, so you know I can. I'm gonna whenever you want, I can open my laptop.
Yeah.
Do it now, or you want me to do it now?
Yeah,
Alright, I'll
please.
do it right now. One moment.
And then we are gonna make another test after that, and that's gonna be the end of the stream. Saying that like if it will take 4 minutes. Not in a dream. I'm just gonna check what I had before. Sorry, trying to not to show all my stuff. Okay, I had false. No, this is ultra side. False, false, true, true. True, 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 true. Okay, that's good. True, 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 true. False, false. Is master client. What that mean? Is master client. Is local. I guess is local will be the one I want.
Hello guys,
Hello,
how are you?
how are you? Very good.
I'm good.
We
Shoot,
are-
bro, I think my game might have to update.
We are doing
I ha-
some loading screens and variable today.
Good. It was one of the most scary day for me. I don't know if I'm telling the right word in English.
Why?
Because I go to the gym and when I come back to home, I find out that I lost my keys. So it's like 1 hour that I'm looking for my keys, and finally my neighbor just called me and said you left the key at the door. So
Ah,
he picked it.
whew.
Yeah. And
Thank God, bro.
my family are in vacation, so there is nobody home, and I was no, I have to wait.
I think
for
it's
them.
everyone's biggest nightmare to lose his keys.
Yeah. Bro, I
That's-
think I might have to like update this. I haven't been on Somnium Space on this computer for a while. Hey, Arsalan, bro,
Yes, yes, bro.
you want to
How
jump
is
in and help?
Yeah.
Yo, can you log in into 2D?
I'm trying. 2D or 3D? Oh,
2D.
VR, I mean.
No, no, no,
2D.
in 2D.
5.5D.
And jump in, and then we'll wait. Do you know where the parcel is? Do you know how to find it? Denevro, do you know what the
It's
the
simple.
number
You
is?
have to teleport to the. Oh my god, check my butt.
Just give me the parcel number and
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Parcel number.
Stop laughing at my English.
No. We're laughing because he can't remember what the parcel number is.
Oh, I thought
I will
he's
never
laughing at my
laugh
English.
at someone.
No, we
that
wouldn't
way.
laugh at your English. bro.
I will hit me before. If I do, I give you a stick for free and come here hitting me.
Okay. Yeah, so you can laugh at my English if you are going to give me.
All right, cool. Cause I'm gonna English is no, I'm just.
Where are you from?
I'm from Iran.
Oh, nice. You have nice accent.
Thank you. That
So
was
did you-
a compliment.
Yeah.
I mean,
Easy to understand.
yeah. because
Did it-
because I don't know very well English, so I use easy words.
Oh yeah.
That's
I
the
mean I'm
most
French,
easy.
so I cannot
Oh, yeah.
understand.
Yeah, so Denevro, do you have the parcel number so you can give it
I
me?
have to get it.
Alright, cool.
I can show you where it is at the same time. If you see, oh my god, it's not lagging. Okay, so you see the map I'm showing you? Oh, in
Just give me a
fact,
second.
I can show you here. See the map, right? Do you? Oh, I can show my screen.
So you are from France?
No, Canada.
France? Canada? So you
Canada.
just tell me that you are French.
Oh yeah, we are French here.
Oh, okay. Je vous aime.
Merci beaucoup.
Yeah, I used to know the I love you word in almost 10 languages, but I forget most of
I
them.
only know half of French and half of English, so.
So I can't log in. It said wait while checking VR client, but it's not checking anything.
Hey, you see my screen? So it's this
Yeah, I can see
teleporter.
It's kind okay.
You see, this is downtown, and you take this one,
Okay.
and it's parcel. Let me fake knowing it by heart. 4171. 4171. Oh. It's not working.
Yo,
Yeah,
did you
yeah,
log
yeah.
in, Arslan?
No, it doesn't let me. It said wait for VR to update or
Oh,
something
yeah.
like that, but nothing.
Yeah, well, my thing is, it's patching.
Virtual, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I need to.
Yeah, we
put,
want to check if a third person.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then I need on collider enter. What? On collision enter. I want to. Okay, this is terrain. That's good. I want to change ownership. Transfer ownership. Yeah. Request ownership. Good. No, it's not request.
What are you about to do?
Okay, so we first try to understand if we own a multiplayer object. So that's the first thing we did. That's why we are printing some variables. Then
No,
I
I mean totally. What are you about to do at all? I mean, what is this about?
Okay. So in the creators on the stream, I generally work around my project or anything that's creative around Somnium space. So
Yeah.
this is my test words, and I was working with Ultralord around a basic feature that is like multiplayer variable.
Mm-hmm.
So now this cube is multiplayer, so I'm trying to see who is owning it, because everything is owned by someone in multiplayer. That's just how it is. There's no like server or anything like this. Everything is owned by someone, and the person that owns it should control it. Because imagine you have an NPC that's moving. If everyone try to move the NPC in this side, the NPC is going to be jittering everywhere. You know. So if
Prepare keep spamming it.
So every logic should be executed at one place, and then we send the position. So that's around that. Oh hi, there's.
BioCryo is here.
Good.
Yeah. BioCryo, are you on Discord?
Yeah.
Is he there?
He mute his microphone on this.
Yo, unmute yourself, bro. BioCryo.
He can't hear you. How can he unmute himself?
I mean, like he's there,
no,
bro.
He's a mute and.
Oh, he's muted completely. Yeah.
Request ownership, ownership transfer. I think it's request. Do you know what? Is it regress ownership?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's request. Wait, let me just double check.
So,
it's request to ownership, and then the actual sphere is takeover.
So what you are doing is only about Somnium space, right? Or
Yes,
it's
some
your-
space
Oh.
words.
Because I'm okay. Let me show you.
Oh, I
One
mean,
second.
it will work in any other game that use the same add-ons, I would say. Any game multiplayer that use Photon, it's the library for the multiplayer part. Every game that use Photon, that will work too. It's the same thing.
Oh, good. Give me a second. I'm gonna show you something.
Um. What did you say, Tollard? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I was
Photon,
saying like on the
forget to put take-
actual photon view, I have ownership transfer as takeover.
Got
Is
it.
that right?
Yeah.
That's right, right? Okay, cool. I just
I
want to
mean,
make sure.
you can always put takeover, but it mean if someone do request ownership, it's gonna got it. I mean, but
Okay.
you code it, so no one is gonna do this, you know.
Are you streaming this on Twitch or it's
Yes.
only here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Never mind then.
Let's do a party in my world. Okay,
Yeah.
the new version it should be there, so let's update it. There's a black box here. You need to click on it. Twice maybe.
I don't think he's there.
That did not work.
It disappeared. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Maybe I should do a trigger instead. Can you touch
Hey,
your
Biocraft. Yeah. Nothing happened. I mean, on my end it
who is
says
owning it?
me. Is mine true? Am controller true?
Do you
Is
have
master client true?
true?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me change the code again. Anyways, I did something wrong. I put on collider, so I will change it for a trigger and do on trigger. On trigger, enter. That's gonna be better. Request, request.
I
Oh my
think
god.
Somnium needs to do some updates on his launcher because it's a little glitchy.
Yeah,
And annoying.
I know they are working on a new one. Take over. I guess it's fine. Let's upload it. I love this upload function.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Somehow it worked almost all the time.
Yeah, bro. What you've made is like really awesome. Very much nice.
Okay, statue code. Okay, let's try this. I should have changed the color to know it's working. Good. Oh, good. It worked. Oh, interesting. It's master client. Okay, Ultralight, I need to see your stream now.
Okay. Okay.
Um,
Am I sharing my screen?
no,
Wait.
just me.
Okay, one minute.
So I want
Alright,
us to all see
there you
the
go.
ownership.
So, can I touch it? It says it's mine.
You did. Oh yeah, you stole it. No, you did not. Wait. Can you reload the script? Press on the button.
Okay.
Twice. Yeah. Good. Now step on it.
Yeah.
Did it work?
I mean, it still says it's mine. It says, is mine true? Everything's true. Maybe you could try and step in it? Oh, no, it didn't change on mine.
Should I try to reload?
It's mine. It says, is mine true?
Can you walk on?
Maybe you could try and step in it? Oh, no, it didn't change on mine.
Should I try to reload?
Arsalan,
It's
Can-
not me. It's mine. It's not me.
can you
Yeah,
can
it's
you
fine,
press on
fine.
the black
No,
box?
fine.
with
Is
your
he
mouse?
there? Oh, no,
No,
he's
I
not. Yo,
can't
yo.
log in.
It's, Biocry. Click on the black box and share your screen. If you can hear us. On the Discords. Show us what you see. What do you see? Share your screen on Discord. Is he sharing his screen? No. Biocraft, share your screen, bro. Come on.
I just realized something, Ultralord.
Oh, do you see it? Is it shared? I don't see it. I don't see it, bro. It says live. It doesn't say live on your thing. Oh, we have meow meow. Oh, mine's done. Yo, mine's done. I'm gonna jump in. Okay, just give me a second.
Um,
What happened? It just changed. It says, "Is mine false?"
I think I messed up. Scene view ID.
What? When I jump in it, it says
View ID.
when I.
I think I messed up. One
When I
second.
walk through it, it changes, and then it switches back to false.
Wait a minute.
Uh,
Okay. The problem is, I think I messed up completely. Because since I spawn the cube, I think it's independent of everyone. It doesn't go.
What do you mean you spawned it?
I spawn it, you know, from nowhere. It's not in the. It's not in the game by default. It's from the internet, you know.
Oh.
So I think the photon view ID is wrong. So I'm gonna show it.
Whoa.
You see?
Yo, that's
You need to
crazy.
know everything.
Yeah.
Because okay, how it work? When everyone load the game, okay, the photon, the multiplayer ID, the unique ID of everything is the same, because it's you have a copy of the game. But I added something that was not there. So when it's spawned, it tried to change the ID to something else. Okay, can you press on the black box, Ultraloud?
Yeah.
And give me your number now. 6.
Uh,
Okay, good. It will be synchronized. Not, can you step on
It says
it? Step on it. Ah, it changed for both of us. What? Why do I got the? Oh, you know what? I messed up.
what?
Okay, I have to change the script because the script is execute by everyone. So I see you stepping on it too in my side. So I need to check is player local.
Hmm.
Is local player. Collider. Root. Transform that root. Root is player local, and then I
Oh.
execute it. You see?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Thanks to my fast exportation. Now I can do that. Good enough. My voice may break when I'm uploading. It take all my process power. Do we have questions? 4202. Oh yeah, the number of the parcel. Okay.
Yeah.
We got okay. Now press the box.
Press the box. Press
Press
the
the box.
box. Yeah.
Good. Okay. Step on it. Ah, it worked. And next bio, step on it.
Go bio. Step on it.
Ah, that's so weird. And Interlife, step on it. That's so weird. And now it's my turn. I want to go. I need to step
Come on,
on
bio. Yeah. We can say what there. What happened? It didn't
Can you show
change.
me which
Ultralight.
teleport?
Huh?
Can you show me which teleport should I come now? I'm in game.
Oh,
Uh.
do you see my screen?
Yes.
You use this one.
I'm there, but I can't see. You are
Oh.
not there.
You must be in the word. Damn it, we need to.
Oh,
bring it.
but you create the word. Okay, it's loading.
I'm in
for
the
me.
word. There's a bubble just next to the teleporter. If you don't see it, I can
It's
come.
loading. It's loading.
Okay, good. So Ultralight, if you saw when you step on it, you are the only one that is master client stay true.
Why?
I don't know. I guess you are the master of the word.
Maybe I logged in because I logged
Yeah,
in
you are the
first.
master of the word. But what we want is is local or is mine or I'm controller. It seems to all be the same. Can you step on it, tutorial? So this one is your stream. So now it's
So
true,
is local true?
true. Oh, it's
No, when
local.
he stepped on it, false.
Okay, now. So is mine, I'm controller, is room view stay true. Can you step on if is room view
Yeah.
stay true? Okay. Room view stay true because I think is room view mean that the room on it. I think.
Mm.
I don't know. Then is master client. Can you step on it now?
Yeah.
Your name is reversed. So is local seem to work? Is local seem to work?
Yeah.
Is mine, I'm controller, is local. They all seem to be synchronized. Can you step on it? Is mine, I'm controller, is local. They all seem to be synchronized.
Mm.
It's good to know.
Is mine
because I
is
just have a
local?
boolean to check. You see?
Yeah. Is
Oh, I
local.
forgot. Wait 1 sec. I forgot that. Is master client is local? Is my what? Okay. Controller. Controller ID owner ID is master client is local owner ID is master client. Okay, so there's no owner. There's just controller, I think.
Yeah, they should make the computers more smart.
Computers aren't
So
smart,
Utwalar-
bro.
So
If
Utwalar,
computers
I
became
think,
smart.
Utwalar, I think is wrong view. Dang it.
What do you
Is
think, bro?
player is local. Dang it. I'm looking for the best way of saying this cube is mine. So we have controller. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this there and unity here. Because not everything is showing. So there's something that's null.
You should buy your second monitor.
Ah yeah, but I cannot trim both.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Owner. Do we have owner? Yes, we have owner ID. Owner ID. And you step on it again?
Yeah.
Owner and owner ID. Okay, owner ID. And controller ID is master client. And controller. So if I'm right, the controller is always null, but the owner is not null. Hope I'm right. We are gonna assume that is mine. Oh, is mine. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna do a last test. I'm sorry, it's lagging a little because of Unity. I'll do a last test, and this one should be conclusive. Whoa, stop lagging, please. Is mine. I'm controller. Okay. I'm uploading now. Video and upload. I'm very sorry for people watching. This little script is incredible word script. So for you have to upload the word, delete the word every time.
We have to download it again.
No, not you. I'm just explaining that it's a very special case that you just have to press on the black box here and it's updating the script because I kind of coded that this way. Oh, it's broken. Yeah, I broke it. That's not good. Sorry. What did I do? Is mine. I'm controller. Then I forget to put it here. My bad. Because I'm just uploading the little cube itself. Normally you can't do that.
You have the superpower.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, he has the superpowers.
It should be good now. I think.
Cool.
Is it? Yes. Okay.
Click, click, click.
Okay.
Here we go. So
Okay,
is mine
I'm
true?
controller. Can you step on it?
Nothing happened.
Perfect. Now it's my turn.
Cool.
True, true. Now it's false, false. And can you do that, Biocryo? Can you update the script by clicking on the black box, and then you step on the white one? Oh, I forgot to check the most important part. Most important part. Initiate search, observe, abandon, play, owner. Is mine. Owner. Is it working, Biocryo? Or maybe it's not here.
It says false when you do.
Oh, no.
Hey, Arsalan's here.
Hello, Steve.
Hello, what's up, bro?
Hello.
Do you know Ultralord if I can
I have to click on this.
Yeah,
click on
double
this
click
black
the
box?
box.
Click on it until the white box is there, and then you step on it.
Oh, it's yeah.
It's
Okay,
not
it said false, false.
And when we walk on it,
It's false, false.
it's still
True,
false, false.
true.
Oh, good.
No, it's true, true.
Steal it.
True, true on yours?
Now it's mine. Last thing I'm trying to do, Ultralord, is to find who is owning it.
Right.
That's the most complicated part. So I have the player, but can I get the root?
Oh, wow, nice. So now, Arsalan, it says true, 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 right?
Yeah, it's true, true when I work on it.
So you own the room.
Oh, I own it?
Yeah, now it says true, true. I own it.
True, true.
No, no. Let me. Okay.
No, 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 no,
No,
that's
it's
fine.
Oh, okay.
No, no, give it
the
back.
No, you
first
don't
thing-
understand.
The first
I
thing
own
you
it.
have to do, the first thing you have to do is adding the punch option. I'm gonna punch it.
That should be an emoji, eh?
That's interesting. Nickname. Nickname was empty, right? Ultralord? It's not good.
Yeah.
Name? Can I do name? No, that's not possible.
By the way, why the Arthur didn't change the rotation option on VR from the teleporting? Like I mean the. I don't know in English.
The snap to smooth?
continuously.
Yeah.
Yeah, to continuously, something like that.
Yeah, if you feel like it's a necessary thing, then make a canny request
Yeah,
and
I'm gonna
request
do
it, and then
because
see if
it's
people
really
vote.
annoying to just jump to the left and when you can move slowly, it's better.
Yeah, make a canny request, and then
Maybe
we'll
I'm
vote
gonna
on
do
it.
after
Make
this.
Kakani.
Make a canny, canny fanny.
I'm testing something. It may overload the
No,
little thingy.
what little thingy?
The little text thing. It may
Oh.
overload it.
Little,
bigger.
Click.
I set uploader. Build and upload. So when I will say it, you need to reload the script.
The script.
Why is it so hard to jump around this area?
Oh, it's because there's a big trigger box and you cannot jump in trigger box. Ultralord,
Why is-
next thing I'm gonna work on, maybe next Sunday stream, I want to
Yeah.
redo the entire physics system.
Cool.
And
Yo,
in
let's
fact-
do
in
it,
fact,
bro.
very simple. I want to find one free layer and put everything there. So the trigger box, the buttons, everything. I want to put everything there. So we have our custom physics system. Because there's just too much limitation of I mean, I don't know how to explain it. It's not because of Somnium space. It's just would be easier
Because
to,
of Unity.
yeah, I mean, I will need my finger to be collidable, but we have a gigantic collider in our hand, so it's kind of complicated. You see,
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
things like that.
So a
Imagine
new
pressing a
layer
button
to
with
do.
your finger. It would be fun.
Yeah, that would be awesome, bro. Playing the piano and stuff.
It would be our sombrero.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, should we restart the script?
Cool. I see a bunch of numbers.
Yeah.
I see false.
3
3,
1 7 4 5.
Is that the user ID or something?
No, this is
No,
the custom.
it's-
This is the player properties. I'm just trying to
Oh.
see if I can get the name. Because I have the player object, but how do I get the player root? Because the player name is on the root, you know. So I have the custom properties that are dictionaries. I'm gonna go for each loop dictionary. Sorry if I speak Chinese, but I'm sorry. That's not. I'm sorry. That's wrong. Should not say that. I'm sorry if I speak a language that's hard to understand. No, I'm serious. That was very wrong. You know, bad habits. It's like saying, "Oh my God." Oh, which God? C sharp. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, that's my favorite one.
Yeah, me too.
Ready?
No, I'm joking. The God of Code. Oh myself. When you say oh my, it means oh myself.
Yeah.
Oh
When you say "Oh my God," you're saying "Oh my
myself."
myself." That's what you're actually saying.
But we usually said, oh, my script.
Oh my script, yeah. Oh my script.
Everyone at the same time. Oh my script.
Oh my script.
Oh la la. Okay. Player properties, blah blah blah. Then no. Key and value. Can I do that? I'm not sure. We will see. And then this. Put some flour, sugar, and cook 3 hours. It's one of the longest stream I did. Usually I collapse after 2 hours. Thanks for coming, guys. That's very fun.
For sure, bro.
Even if everything is
Pleasure.
a loading screen.
Yeah,
Why
it's a
not?
pleasure.
You
Man.
can press on the loading button.
Oh, yeah, it's gone. Here it is. It's got. Oh, there it is.
I hope
Cool.
it's not secret. I hope my password is not there.
Okay, I'm ready to take the screenshot. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so what is there? User achievement, na na na.
Oh, it said my name.
Fafda.
Yeah, this is 3 Arsalan.
Yeah,
Do you
but
see
there
your
was a
name?
3.
Yeah,
Three is not my name.
Oh, the
But
number 3 is
I
the name, right?
yeah, it's there. I don't see it.
Yeah,
Okay.
Tenebro, okay, that's
Oh,
good.
now.
You're
Oh,
overlord.
cool. It says who's
Yeah,
controlling it.
Artific told me that everything was on custom properties of player. I think it told me that it's not good to add properties on the. Okay, there's two places where you can have and put custom properties. It's like global variable that everyone share. You can put this on player and you can put it on room. So me, I'm just using room properties. So it's variable that everyone have synchronized. But those one are linked to my avatar, and I'm not sure we can touch it. 12722. I don't even see my. Like, what is this? MX blah 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 blah. I hope it's not my password. Or my wallet address maybe.
I don't know. It says equals at the end.
Yeah, it means it's like I think it's a hash.
Hmm. It has your user achievements. Can you add user achievements? Holy crap.
I don't think it's probably read
yeah.
only.
Ultra wanna get all of them.
Yeah,
12722.
bro, gotta catch
I
them
wonder
all.
what is 12722. Anyway,
I
the
don't
only
know.
thing we need is tree, the player name. So let's do that again and just take dictionary. Get. My god. Stable. No. Get 3, right? I want get. Oh yeah, get. Good. So it's. I guess it's text. No idea. String literal. 3 somehow. And we should get the player name now. And correct me if I'm wrong. I think player name is unique. Is it?
Yeah, it's unique, I think, because I tried to add another name and it said it's already taken.
Got you. Let's try this now. Good. Upload. Good. Reload script. Oops. I have no idea why we need to click twice. Don't ask. Denevro, can you work on it to alert? To alert. Someone else?
Wait, I'm gonna restart the script. Okay. Oh, it's not changing.
Yeah, it changed. It says
Yeah,
It's under
Arsalan.
display name, right?
Yeah,
And
Yeah.
BioCryo now.
That's perfect. Good for that. I think we got it. This is ready
Nice.
for to tutorialize.
Cool, bro. Awesome.
So this is very crucial what we did today. First, we know who is owning something, and how to own something, and to know if we own something. Wow.
Nice.
I guess it's gonna finish here.
Well,
Thank you very much for your participation, and
thank you, Tenebro. Thank you,
don't know
bro.
what to say the ends.
Yeah, I'm
you.
looking forward to next week.
Oh yeah, I have to do something.
What's up with the trigger around here, though? I want to know why. Why do you have the trigger here? Like,
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna come to the meetup. I need to rest a little.
yeah, for sure, bro.
So have a good thing.
Yeah.
Day.
Have a good day,
whatever.
bro. Yeah, you too, bro.
Oh yeah, I
Have a good day.
forgot. Yeah, bye bye.
What? All right, peace out, bro.
Forget